What is that? There's a good one. Another good one. That one was alright. Yeah. Look at that stack. There's another stack over there. What is this? 30s. 50s. So 160. ZMR. Fucking flyers. Oh yeah, I built that one. There's a Martian. Shriggy. Alien. This is the 5-inch with the 4-inch body. 6-inch tri-blades. They're pretty sweet. Project. This. Oh yeah, this is my flyer. It's the X210. Some micros. That's the Fat Bee. Pretty fat now. What we got in there? Oh, moly. There's a little Hudson. Look at that, that look familiar. Yeah, I got one of those. Over there. Yeah, one of them too. This is the project. It's gonna be sweet and fast. 3D printer. Oh, I don't know. The digs. Batteries back. Old batteries. What was that? The old Sumo. What's this? Oh, that's a good one too. What's in there? Oh my lord. Oh, you built some of these. Unreal. Oh man. What's some Hudsons? That probably flies. Oh no, that don't fly. Back in the box. Camera. Oh, camera. You got the prop boxes.